Well, we have really two very special guests out here today. We have Jigar and we have Swati, the sports chairperson for Hindustan Club, the co-chairperson for Hindustan Club. Thank you so much, guys, for coming here. He's already running a very hectic business. He's an MBA, she's a CA, CS, CFA. Oh my God. So they are already very padaku and they are into sports as well. So today we are going to get to know a lot of sports facts by them. And देखते हैं if Hindustan Club has that zeal or not. I feel they already are very confident. Last year they killed it in Riders Cup. This year, let's see what Hindustan Club is up to. उससे पहले, how do you guys take out so much time from your lives, from family, from work? Please let me know.
So I think this is about passion. I feel very strongly about sports and for the club. I stay right opposite the club and I really feel that we can develop the sports facility in the club. As you know, Hindustan Club, not so known for sports, few years back, it's really come a long way.
Right.
And we have a long way to go still. There are 12 sports that we cater to in Hindustan Club. And we really hope that in few coming years, we are developing a lot of sports facilities. And yet to come also, we are trying to tie up with different clubs also for our sports facilities so that we can have more members participation, more kids, more youth, everyone. There's something for everyone, indoor, outdoor. Basically, it's like all under one roof.
Right.
So we are trying to do that. Yeah, it takes a lot of time and effort, a lot of commitment. We all are working, we all have families, we all have kids. It takes a lot of time and energy. But yes, it's all about passion.
So when one thing I really want to ask you that because you guys have 21 executive members in your club, and out of those 21, 20 are male members, and there's only one female member. So how do you guys gel up with her, and what's her vibe? I just want to understand.
She's very positive and we respect her because she's a youth and she has the idea and she's energetic and she likes sports. So overall, she's a package where we can trust her and we can rely on her. So it's an easier way to work with her.
And sir, how do you have a very hectic business schedule, like, right? And so uske liye in today's time, fitness is something which I don't think so is there at all in 90% of the living individuals out there. So how are you still getting involved with sports? How are you still into sports, into fitness? Because even like 18-year-old kids are just in their home and they don't even know how to play a sport. So what's keeping both of you going on with sports even right now?
Like we would say next to club, and our club is promoting all the activities which youth can take. Like gym is there, we are upgrading gym, we have a indoor pool which is heated, so even 365 days we can have swimming activities, we're coming up with badminton, pickleball. So it's more of a sports culture which we are developing, and that results is fitness also.
So we just organized a marathon with the tagline "Run for a Healthy You." So we believe that the number of sports enthusiasts, the number of fitness enthusiasts which come forward in South Kolkata, we had 1,700 participants right now, which was
1,700. That's like a very big marathon.
Yes. And this was the second edition. The first one was in 2023 where we had 1,200, and this time it was 1,700, the second edition for the marathon. And we are in the core committee of organizing the marathon also. And a wonderful response. Like we had to close the registration 15 days in advance. And I had more than 200-300 calls that, please register us. So if we would have had we had to maintain the quality. So otherwise we could have closed at 2,000 also. So there are a lot of people who are sports enthusiasts, fitness enthusiasts. It's just that we need to give them a platform. We need to provide them some facilities so that they come forward.
Right. And so as you said, having like taking up 200-300 calls, even you take up a lot of calls for the club, for work. So if you guys want to give one tip to an individual how to keep calm during when you have to attend 50 calls a day, 100 calls a day, एक point पे ये नहीं होगा, like, don't you feel that? And रात को 11 बजे call आ रहा है, सुबह 8 बजे call आ गया. How do you guys deal? And one tip for all those who are watching here, how to keep calm during so many calls.
So see, I would say to keep calm, you can meditate.
Or play sports.
Yeah, sports and meditation. Like personally, I give 45 minutes every day to gym and swimming like once or twice a week. So these are two things which I really want to do on a regular basis. it really keeps me going. You know, just give yourself 45 minutes. That's for yourself. I would really say that, because the whole time, okay, being a girl, it's either family, it's either work. I'm a CSE by profession, so I am into practice. So I have to give a lot of commitment to my work also. I have a baby who's 4.5. So I have a lot of time commitment for him also. So I just want to give 45 minutes to 1 hour to myself, and the whole day falls in place. I can attend calls, I can do all kind of meetings, I can attend to the club, family, everything. So time to yourself is very important.
And I think that only keeps both of you so calm throughout. Even when I was talking to both of them, they were like very chill. I would say chill is the right word, which Gen Z कहते हैं ना, Gen Z is chilling. I think you guys are actually chilling in life right now. Talking about your club, tell me what makes Hindustan Club so special?
I have been associated with the club from 7 years. I'm a member, but I'm in the committee from 3 years. So out of nowhere, one fine day, I was approached that, would you like to join the committee? I was very reluctant because, because of the time commitment, because of this entire factor that I'll be the only girl and everything. But once I joined, the kind of camaraderie, the kind of exposure, the kind of, everyone is so enthusiastic about everything. We have a lot of departments. Like, there is social affairs, there's sport, there's youth wing, there's communications team, there's ladies wing. There are a lot of variety of stuff to do in the club. So we had chairmen for everyone, and we are all like a family. We call our club our second home. For us, Hindustan Club is a second home. All of us really spend a lot of time there. And I agree, there's a lot of commitment. We made a lot of friends. Our entire family is involved, like my husband, my child. We all are part of this entire community. It's normal, like, just I am a part of it. The entire community. It's like a holistic being now.
Right.
So that's what I would want to put. That club life, yeah, but we just have to make sure we draw a line everywhere.
That is there for every field, I guess.
There has to be a balance for everything. So yeah, we do really enjoy.
Riders Club, Riders Cup, as we know, last year you guys were a part of it. Did you witness the match?
There we won both the trophies. We were winners last year.
Okay, so how was the experience like, Riders Cup?
It was superb. Like, it was the first time we were invited by the club, and it was superb regarding the event venue, the event, and the hospitality of the riders members. Right, it was amazing.
मतलब आपको ये concept कैसा लग रहा है? Like, so many, I think one of the most premium clubs of Calcutta are playing in Riders Cup. And एक चीज़ है, ठीक है, every club has their own thing. Let's be honest. Like, सबको लगता है हमारा club best है. It is a fact. But उसके बावजूद everyone coming together, वहाँ पे आपने क्या notice किया? Was there more familyhood, or was there like my club?
Friendly, passion, and united. Like, it was not individual. It was like the united we. Like, we are together and we are playing for respective club, but we are together.
ऐसा कुछ कभी लगा कि यार वो क्लब थोड़ा ज्यादा मजे कर रहा है तो उसमें चले जाए, ऐसा कभी हुआ? Just be honest.
Yeah, I will tell you. At Hindustan Club, बहुत मन करता है कि that club has so much facilities. That club has better players. It's better to be there. But at the end of the day, we are good at home.
Home is where you belong.
So this is like our home. And definitely this time, I think there are 6 to 8 clubs for Riders Club. We are very excited. And I'm sure this time there's one team each from all the clubs. We are very excited to be there with all our family and friends. We shall witness the Riders Club this time in January.
And so you also head the cricket team for your club.
What is it? Yeah.
And so the women's cricket team. And so you also play, you also swim, you also play basketball, and you play cricket. Out of all these 3, which is your favorite one? Swimming. And so do you guys take part in the inter-club swimming competition?
BRC carnivals, CSC carnivals, ATSC carnivals. Any carnival that is there in Calcutta and we are invited, we are part of it.
Last year, sir, in the Riders Cup, what was the most memorable moment for you or your team?
Winning, obviously.
उसके अलावा
The vibe, the ground being superb, and the weather.
When was it? Like, which month was it last?
Last Jan only.
So cool weather. ऐसा कभी होता है like in the गर्मी के season में when you guys go out to play cricket or basketball, swimming is still fine. कभी force लगता है यार, especially like क्यों धूप में हम लोग खेलने आ रहे हैं? Do you feel that? Ashi.
No, I think for sports is always like हाँ करना है.
And ऐसे लोग बोलते हैं यार, आपने कहीं से भी सुना है कि यार why are they still playing so much at this age?
हाँ वो तो सुना है करते हैं in-laws से especially.
है ना? ये जाएगा इसको ये this will be the beginning of the podcast.
No, but definitely, you know, to be a part of sports, to do so much, you need a lot of help and support. You need to have a very understanding family. So I think we all are very lucky to have a family which are very understanding and who support the sports.
Being a woman, is it more difficult?
Yeah, I'm sure a little more because I think we have a little more responsibilities. बहुत चीज़ manage करना पड़ता है, like, you know, micromanage stuff.
Right.
So definitely more, but I don't crib about it because I have chosen the path. It was very easy for me to stay at home, not work also. I could have just, you know, been at home. This is my choice. Nobody has forced me into it.
Right.
So everything is my choice, my passion. So there's no cribbing about it. I really enjoy every part of it, be it work, be it family, be it club. So that's why I'm a part of it.
What are the 3 major traits of your club which make you stand out of Hindustan Club? Like हर एक because there are every club like Red Riders Club की यार 3 चीजें मेरे को बहुत पसंद है. One is everyone is just like there's no age barrier at all. Like I saw a 15-year-old kid also playing. I saw a 50-year-old man also playing in the same match, and I really like everything is very chill. मतलब खेल भी रहे हैं, समोसे भी खा रहे हैं, कोल्ड ड्रिंक भी चल रही है. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ फिटनेस के लिए खेलना है. It's all fun. So what is the vibe of Hindustan Club that way?
So I would say the same for Hindustan Club. We have something for every age category. And we have people starting from the age of 5 to 6 years. If you talk about any carnival also, we have children who participate from 5 to 6 years, and we have veterans also. It's compulsory, in fact. So we have people till 70 also. They have to play, and they do play. And we have a lot of, we have to do selections, especially for cricket. There's a tough selection that has to go.
क्या होता है बताइए?
Like, we need 11 players to play, and we get a list of around 50 people. And among them, 30 people will be minimum veterans who are very keen to take part. And below 10 years also, there are many like they want to play outdoor cricket. So that becomes a difficult task for everyone asked to select whom to play and not to.
And फिर क्या आप लोग किस बेसिस पे सिलेक्ट करते हो? स्किल, बॉन्ड,
Both.
इतना ऑनेस्ट नहीं होना.
Tricky question. This is a tricky question. Well, because, at club level, it's very difficult to keep on hosting selections. Like what happens is if you're playing regularly, like every week, every 10 days, you know how the other person is playing. But for example, in a club, to do selections, you have like 2 selections. You book a turf or, you book an area and then you have selections. Maybe that particular day, that person does not perform.
Right.
So it's a very difficult... So supposing, regular players tell you that, he's a regular one or he's consistent. Today he's not in form. So that's how the selection happens.
And जो matches होते हैं आप लोग के, do you think, is it like, what's the spirit in it? Like, is it like a very friendly match? कि हाँ ठीक है white ball हो गया छोड़ दो, अच्छा ठीक है leg by हो गया, it's okay out? Or is it like, okay, you're very strict with the rules कि नहीं, if it's an out, it's an out? Or it's like a family में picnic? Is it like a picnic sport or is it like a sports sport?
See, 2 years back, people were just considering Hindustan Club as underdogs. We never had a team and we never used to take part. So from last 2 to 3 years in cricket especially, we have come up with a good team. Last year also, like this year also, in CSC we came second. It was our tournament. In Platinum category, we came second. So we are now being recognized as a proper team. And the vibe in the team is go, enjoy and come back. Winning is secondary, but yeah, we are there to win.
Oh, nice.
Well, there's a lot of competition, definitely. बहुत झगड़ा भी होता है बहुत बार. I have seen a lot of brawls on the ground also. But at the end of it, it's always a very friendly atmosphere. There's no, hard feelings after the match. Whatever happens during the match, it's okay. But very friendly. participation is the most important thing for us, and definitely winning is a part of it. So
So, guys, I hope now you have recognized me. I'm Harsh.
Right.
So, I am heading Red Riders Sports Club along with Kunal. So, we are hosting this Riders Cup. It's a fairly new concept. Because this cup is being hosted by a club that does not have its premises yet. It's a new thing, but still, it's an honor that you guys have said to be a part of it. So, what are you looking forward to, as in while playing Riders Cup? Because you have already played one edition, which was with Hindustan Club and only Red Riders. Now other clubs are there. What are you looking forward to? Something. Same energy and passion. That's it. Like, have a friendly environment and to win the game again. Win the game. Yeah, it's this time we are not letting you win again. Because I think you won both the cups last time. The gold and the silver. Yeah, you won both the cups. How was that feeling? Club में कुछ बात हुई थी उस बारे में? Very happy. People recognize us as a winners. And out of the underdog pads, we just pulled out the cup. I think that was a stamp of authority.
this time you have a lot of pressure.
As to that.
I think this time Swati will be after me more. Ki you have to bloody win. So Swati, I just wanted to ask you. So I'm really fascinated that a woman is heading the sports division. That's like unheard of in our Calcutta family culture and all that. So how does it feel? Do you get मतलब कुछ अलग लगता है या कुछ सुनने मिलता है?
Yes, so I'll tell you something. From the very childhood, I've been into sports. I was the basketball captain. I've represented West Bengal also. And I've represented La Martiniere in various basketball and swimming activities. So from the very start of the journey, I was involved with sports and, fitness and proper enthusiast, everything. So when Hindustan Club offered me this, being the executive committee member, everyone has to take up a particular area, like a particular chairmanship. So first I was offered obviously health and fitness. And first year I was in health and fitness, and the last 2 years I'm into sports. So as I was telling, I have 12 sports under me.
For 12.
There are a lot of activities, indoor and outdoor. Like, indoors is obviously snooker, carom, chess. Outdoor is cricket, squash, pickleball, badminton, then swimming. Then we have, which one? That's, there are a lot of activities.
What's
So-
the pool area planning?
Yeah, we're planning.
Oh wow, that's amazing.
Hindustan Club did not have a pickleball court. We are getting it made. Did not have a badminton court. That is under construction. A proper sports arena is under construction. So a lot of, we are trying to take a lot of initiative so that the entire sports fraternity comes together in the club, and there's something for every category of people. Be it indoor, be it outdoor, be it a 5-year or be it a 70-year. So that everyone can come and enjoy. It's not just for one. We are trying for a night outdoor cricket also, like in a parking space.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing. I would like to book that whenever it's.
Yeah. So this time we have the committee is doing really well. I really thank the entire management and the committee, because without their support, we can't do anything.
No, but I think really, sorry, I'm interrupting. I think some good chunk of thanks should go to you, because looks like the initiative has started because you are there. I mean, Jigar Bhai is supporting, I'm sure, but एक होता है like structure देने वाला, the vision, you are there. So I heard when you were talking to Sahil, you mentioned something about the in-laws. Jigar Bhai is married, I'm married. We have this thing कि guys are always wedged between. So how do you manage that? I mean, because I'm sure as a girl, you're taking care of the house, kids, in-laws, husband. Generally, boys they want to be taken care of because they're kids, even at this age. So how do you manage that with all this responsibility as well as घर का इतना बड़ा responsibility?
So as I told you, I have a very supportive family, and my husband is also with me in the club, all my activity. He is responsible. He's a complete sportsman. Yeah, he's very active. He's a very good squash player, and all the activities we do is always together. So that's one advantage. So I don't have to be alone all the time. So I get if I'm
There is full support है,
Yeah.
backup है.
with him, So it's like, theek hai, chalta hai types. And with my baby also, I try to manage my work and baby during my daytimes. So in that way, I can say that what keeps me going is that, that an entire 40-45 minutes that I spend for myself, and I can plan my entire day. I can, take care of all the things. I'm not, muddled up in my head with. So that's the only thing that it's possible to. Otherwise, it's weird.
So how old is your baby?
He's 4.5.
4.5. Wow. So I have a 6-year-old son.
Yeah.
He's always very fascinated with what we are doing in Red Riders as a club, the sports and all. How does your kid?
He's there for all the activities. I think everyone in the club knows him.
Oh wow.
Yeah, he's like, there's a children play in the club. So most of the time when I'm there, he's playing over there. Like in the marathon also, he was a part of it. All the meetings, everything, he wants to be a part of everything. So in that way, very self-dependent also. And
So after Swati, he's the next big thing here. in the summer. So Jigar bhaiya, your kids, I mean,
He's 2.5 years.
oh, getting there. aa raha hai.
Yeah, he's killing to swimming. Like
He is at 2.5.
yeah, he loves.
That is amazing. Man, how does he manage? 2.5-year-old.
He did pools, so it's fine.
वो ठीक है, but वो मतलब he can do the basics and
At least chap what we say in Hindi that is
सब कर लेता है अपना आराम.
he started swimming at 2. He did full lengths at 3. Our swimming trainers in the club are very good. Personal training, they do really well. Okay.
I mean, sounds amazing. A 2.5-year-old kid.
Now we can do full lengths. Like at 3, he was able.
And so, Jigar bhaiya, आपका क्या vision है? I mean, taking this sports thing of Hindustan Club forward.
since we are promoting more and more of a sports area in the club, we are looking that we have a stable team. We can grow and get good cups in our buy.
Riders Cup नहीं.
He is Riders Cup. So that at least we can say that we are in the leagues of club where all are fighting of us in terms of play.
They are. I'll tell you. So, आपके टीम में कुणाल plays. वो Riders में plays. I'm sorry. But there's this Tulsian bhaiya, Anand Tulsian, if I'm not wrong. He's a slow bowler.
He's a slow bowler and he won.
He won MVP.
Yeah.
In the Riders. People in our team are scared of him for I don't know what reason. They are scared of him. आपके पास ऐसे players हैं जिससे लोग डरते हैं. And Alok bhaiya, I mean, amazing player. I have seen him बहुत पहले से cricket fraternity में खेलते हुए. He is obviously there. Kashyap is
He's a
he's too good.
They do play regularly and they are the strength of our team.
Okay.
They are the captains. They are the backbone. Like we are just supporting them.
तो Riders Cup में उनसे डर के रहना है.
हाँ,
क्या डर के रहना?
पूरे club से
स्वाति तक पूरे क्लब से डर के रहना है.
Their call, they told us that you want to take part this year again. We are there to support them.
तो आप तो खेलोगे?
Yeah.
So I'll make sure our best bouncer bowler.
I have to keep the.
Oh,
I can get the pitch before.
so Swati, I want to understand. जैसे Riders Cup, unfortunately, it's just for males right now. I mean, I realize that's a big mistake for now because we should get all the girls and the women included. So, can you please guide us how to, next edition Riders Cup में लड़कियों को कैसे ज़्यादा involve किया जाए because you are at the top of it.
So I'll just tell you that, see, Riders Cup is Gulmohar and it's not the Cosco ball. But for girls, like what DRC did right now, they had one female player in the all cricket matches. So that you can promote one lady from every brand. Then they had ladies cricket also. So we had a team of 8 aside, 8 overs. So 8 players. For that also we had to do selections.
Really?
Cricket, there is one.
Amazing.
What that everywhere you have to do selections. In other sports, we are struggling a little bit to manage players because swimming you need around 28, 30 people. So it's a big number. But for cricket, you're always having to do selections.
And people, girls are really wanting to play.
Yeah. In fact, I get messages every day that, we should practice every week, we should practice every 10 days. Like the entire women cricket fraternity. In fact, we made these groups also, like how you all have us group and stuff. So there's this Calcutta ladies cricket fraternity now.
Wow.
Yes. So we already 40-50 members are joined, like from different clubs, like 4-5 from my club, 4-5 from PRC. So now we are trying that, we can have an IPL style. CSC has come up with the franchise cricket and meals time.
Ladies city. Okay.
Boys just got over last month. They've come up with girls. So now we have to, tender ourselves.
Oh, अभी था वो interest meeting.
Yeah, that's what बोल रहे selections करना पड़ रहा है. मतलब interest है. So there's somewhere as a cricket fraternity, maybe in Calcutta we are lacking, not getting girls
Yeah,
involved.
Which is really coming up. Surely evolved. The kind of players I've seen from other clubs also fabulous.
So what we can do, I mean, I want to take this opportunity and discuss. So we can have Riders Cup, maybe we can have a ladies wing, Costco ball cricket, क्योंकि गुलमोहर में ही there is an indoor turf.
So that only. In Gulmore we have a dream court for the
हाँ,
indoor area.
indoor
There
area.
we can have ladies cricket match going vice versa.
So what do you think? Would you want to, along with Red Riders, head that as part of Riders Cup? If we can, maybe get logistically right and get it.
See, I don't know about this edition because the time is too short.
Exactly.
And December month is usually really packed. But maybe for the next edition or maybe, during the entire year, you all can plan something.
For ladies cricket, and when we can have whatever formatting तो हम लोग का बहुत
Yeah, because I'm sure all clubs are excited about this format now. It started with Satsi Carnival, the ladies cricket. It was done in CSE, it was done in BRC. So I think it can become like a, yearly event.
It should, yeah, that's what. And मेरा वही मोटो है कि इसमें एक अल्टीरियर मोटिव भी है कि वाइफ जब साथ खेलने आएगी तो कम डांट पड़ेगा कि दिन भर खेलते रहे तो
वो बात तो है.
that ulterior motive is
From all the wives.
हाँ ये दिन भर
2 बजे आते हैं ये and this.
जैसे last time I remember last year match got over at 3. I reached home at 4 and wife भी डांट रही क्या मजाक बना दिया है. What is it?
I agree.
So वो ulterior motive है. Life becomes simpler.
No, definitely. Yeah. Ladies cricket will also, I'm sure, in times to come. See, everything takes time to evolve.
Of course.
Everything takes time to evolve. The society is evolving. नहीं तो पहले girls का खेलना it was very difficult. So I'm sure everything will take time and fall into place. I have a lot of hope from riders now.
हाँ, absolutely. I mean, I'm totally sold and I really wanted to speak to you about this because I see from a girl's point of view, I would not understand it the way you would. You're at the top of your game. You're heading one of the biggest clubs. So a girl's point of view, I'll get the best from you, get best guidance, and then we can surely take it forward.
So we have 3 girls in our team. They're very young, just 10, 11. Okay. And they play fabulous. Really? Yeah, they take proper coaching.
Wow.
One is Alobhia's daughter only.
Oh, brilliant.
Yeah. So they are into proper training. And, when you start playing from that age, you have that thing, it's running for you.
I mean, I've been following this lady cricketer. You must have heard Smriti Mandhana.
Yeah.
What a batsman. Just an amazing batsman. And
Of the wing.
yeah, I mean, I can't get over the way she drives the ball. So, I mean, something like that coming from Calcutta would be so awesome.
That's true. So we are really looking forward to Riders Cup. That's this.
Yes. If I बोले ये काक तो बोले
क्या ladies?
जीगिस का हाँ वहाँ पे कर दीजिए ना अगर होता भी है.
हम तो यही सोच रहे हैं इस बार I want to do that in Riders Cup because
Public भी आ जाए डाल तो
that way families will come. I want families to come. मतलब
जाएगा पब्लिक भी दिखेगा और एक वाइब क्रिएट होगा.
राइडर्स कप में वही हम बोलना चाह रहे हैं कि जैसे बहुत सारा जो टूर्नामेंट्स होता है ना विच द बॉयज प्ले इट्स लाइक गया खेला ठीक है 2-4 सिगरेट पी लिया इधर उधर बात कर लिया बिजनेस का बात कर लिया और आ गया. दिस इज नॉट लाइक दैट. यहाँ पे क्रिकेट विल बी अगेन 50% ऑफ obviously that's the essay but 50% will be chilling with everyone with the families playing with the kids maybe yeah having nice food and just sitting over a table over dinner or lunch or whatever. This is what I want to
कोट नहीं था इस बार है अच्छा.
इस बार पे इस बार
So last year what had happened, I really wanted to go and see a match. So I asked all the wives, all the cricketers.
कि चलो
Okay, welcome to the final segment, which is the rapid fire. So now you have to be honest. Zenit MD में जो game था, so whatever comes to your mind, 5 seconds, you have to just let it out. Okay. So the first question: cricket or football?
Cricket.
Obviously, that was very obvious. Picnic with your club or a family picnic outing?
Family.
Good choice. Fast bowler or a दूसरा spinner, who's more dangerous?
Fast bowler.
I'll say spinner.
Spinner.
Yeah.
It's difficult for you to play spin.
Yes.
You're a batsman or a bowler?
Bowler.
अच्छा, still
Bowler and fielding.
bowler.
See the John T. Rhodes about that.
हाँ. Deuce ball cricket or Costco ball cricket? Please.
For me, Costco, obviously.
Indoor cricket or outdoor cricket?
Outdoors.
Indoor.
Favorite cricketer?
Virat Kohli.
Rahul.
हाँ, nice. Why? Like that's a very rare choice. आजकल कोई नहीं बोलता.
Shots.
Sweep shots. Favorite sports person? Cricket छोड़ के भी. हाँ.
I'll say Michael Phelps. I love his strokes. His butterfly is too good because I'm not being able to reach to the butterfly stage till now.
Joe Root.
Joe Root. Which city do you think is the fittest in India, according to both of you?
Hi. That's a difficult question to answer.
But जितना आपको knowledge है, which city do you think is actually
Bangalore. They have a cosmopolitan crowd and they are having balanced life in terms of sports.
Bombay? This is Bombay. But वो तो सोते ही नहीं है ना.
Fit.
फिट तो है तभी नहीं सो के इतना अच्छे से काम कर पा रहे हैं. So one last thing before we end this podcast, why do you think what's lacking in India, because India having such a great population, still not able to make it big in Olympics? We are doing well, but we're not able to make it big. What according to you can change or should change to make this happen in Olympics?
I think the mindset is still, we are lacking behind in the mindset that we are not being able to reach there. Once you decide something and you have the proper facilities, I think India has to have more facilities also. In terms of sports, see, we are talking about the elite crowd right now. We are talking about the high-end society or the mediocre.
The 1%.
Yeah, but when you see the lower people, or they have a lot of potentials, which is not being capitalized. So how to do that, and how the the sports minister or the how they take it up, that's the most important mindset. From lower end, how do you bring them up? How to provide them facilities? How to provide them the nutrition? How to provide them with the the entire package that they can do something for their
Their career. Right. Because they feel that it's a one-time event. How will they earn?
True.
Livelihood is at stake.
So nobody wants to invest that amount of time and energy.
So I was told that don't pursue too much of basketball after West Point. That's
Because there's no, you don't see a prospective career.
People are switching towards sports.
yeah.
So one last thing, who's going to win the Riders Cup this season?
Hindustan player.
Any doubts?
We won last time also, and this time also second edition.
So it's so let's see who actually wins the Riders Cup this season. With this, thank you so much, guys. It was wonderful having you here, and I hope the other clubs fear you after this season. Okay.
Yes. Thank you so much, Anne.
Thank you, guys.